Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view Snapchat stories without them knowing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat. And you need to, if you find an update, you need to update your Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the icon of the people, and here you can see all your stories. So the first step, you need to make sure that all stories are fully loaded, and then you need to swipe down, and here you need to turn off your internet connection and turn on airplane mode. Once you've done that, you simply need to view the story, and after that you need to turn on the internet connection and airplane mode again. So this is a process by which you can view your friend stories on Snapchat without them knowing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.